Mga mamshi, good morning. We're preparing for lunch. So, cauliflower vegetable, shrimp ulit ang gagamitin natin, carrots, walang sitcharo today. So, sibuyas, bawang. That's all that we will use for today. Let's start. Please, na-prepare na natin ang ating sahog for our meal today. It's a holiday here in the Philippines, Independence Day. So, we're at home, Pops is at home. Bumili lang ng medicine and pay the electric bill. So, yan. Cauliflower, after 2 weeks na hindi tayo nag-vegetable. So, shrimp pa rin ang gusto ni Popsy. So, Mamshi, tinatanggal natin yung handle shrimp kasi pag isa natin sibuyas bawang, sasama na natin yan. And then, tsaka natin lalagay yung gulay. Pag na-cook, tsaka natin lalagay yung hipon. So, para makuha natin yung taste ng hipon for our vegetable. Let's start. Ayan, ginisa na natin yung shrimp head, sibuyas, bawang, shrimp head. And lagyan natin ng patis. That's how much patis yung ilalagay natin. Mga 1 sandok yung patis natin. Since ang gulay natin is just cauliflower, so nilagay na ginisa na natin siya kasama ng sibuyas, bawang, and shrimp head kasi wala naman tayong chicken na palalambutin, di ba? So, lagyan na rin natin yung ating carrots. Pag naluto, tsaka natin lagay yung shrimp. Tapos, lagyan na rin natin ng garlic salt kasi nalagyan na natin siya ng patis. Almost there. Yan. Pinapalambot na lang natin ng cauliflower and carrots. Nalagyan na natin yung shrimp natin. Enjoy, Popsy, for lunch and dinner today. Ayan. We're just, two at home. So, kayang-kaya namin yan. Lunch and dinner. Na, cook na natin. Ating shrimp. So, it's already 12:30 na pala in the afternoon. So, anyway, cook na ang ating cauliflower with shrimp, carrots. Walang chicharo today. Pops can that found one in the market. Anyway, ayan, enjoy lunch. We're just waiting for Popsy to come back. Nag-pay siya ng electric bill. Thank you guys for watching. See you on our next video.